Hey Glam Fam, and welcome back to my channel. I have something exciting today, so let's play the intro.
I just wanna show you off, I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the flies of them all?
So look what decided to finally show up in the mail. I had emailed Ipsy and they have promised me that I will get my bags sooner. I told them that I like to review them for my channel and they are going to change that. I was super nice about it. I'm all about being nice and customer service. Just got here. So let's just jump right into it. That's what we're here for. This is the bag. You guys probably already seen the bag, so no one cares about the bag. It's a canvas. Gives me those orange creamsicle vibes. It has this little leather tassel at the end. I have to say it as well. This bag looks like another bag that I got in the past. I'm cool with it. I'll gift it to somebody. This is the card. You know what we do with that. And let's get into it. I figured I'd do a little look. I don't look too great. Didn't get much sleep last night. So I just got out of the shower and I figured I'd do this right away. So the first thing I see here is the Ipsy lipstick, crayon, and rouge. Let me know, other Ipsters, what you got. A lot of times people tell me that I get something completely different than them. I have such a unique bag. I don't know. So this is based on their profile. Just so you know, Ipsy, if you don't know about Ipsy, it is a monthly beauty subscription. $10 a month gets you 5 travel-friendly or full-size items and a cute little bag. That's it. You just sign up. You do your profile. I've said it before. I'll leave the website link in the description box below. So I got this Ipsy lip cream pencil in plum. It looks like this. It kind of reminds me of the NYX chunk pencils. And yep, it has that kind of tip. I don't know if it goes up or down. No, it doesn't. So this is all you're getting. Oh, wait. Dude. Yeah, it goes up. It goes up and down. So I'm going to swatch it for you guys real fast. That's the color. It's like a berry more than a purple. It's like a boysenberry. I'm going to put it on since I have no makeup on. And I'll let you know. It's very, very creamy. It reminds me of the Bite Beauty pencils. If you've ever tried those. Right off the bat. I like this more than I thought I would. That's a bonus. I like this. This is the Black Tea London Classic Serum, blah, 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 wrinkles, fills in pores. So basically, oh, I just got some on my pants. So basically, it's like a clear that on my face as to not waste the product. And it just says that it'll make your skin look more youthful. So I'm just going to dab it into the skin. It says take a pea-sized amount and just put it on your skin. And I'm all about these serums. I'm cool with that. I'll update my description box and let you know how it worked out. It feels good. It has no scent, and anything that says black tea has got to be good. Next, there's another little cream thing in here. I feel like this is a good Ipsy bag. Okay, Ipsy, you were late, but I'm okay with that. The answer from Luminous Collagen Eye Cream. This Luminous Collagen Eye Cream delivers vital nutrients to the eye area, gently moisturizing, instantly brightening the dry, uneven, tired-looking skin. Well, we all know I could use that. And here we go. This is the cream. White, like your basic cream. I'm just going to put a little bit under my eye. Whoa, I guess it's not going to be a little bit. That's a sign from the heavens that I need more under eye cream. That's what that is. No, you're not going to use a little bit. Those bags need some work. I'm not just saying that. It really feels like it's doing something. Like I have a lot of eye creams and this really feels great. But yeah, it has like a moisturizing lotion scent. Nothing too fragrant. It's just good. And I feel like it's filling in some stuff. I feel like it's plumping. I feel like a plumping action going on. Like, I actually love that. Ooh, we have a Thrive Liquid Lush Extension Mascara. Uh-oh. I could use a mascara. It's storming right now in Florida. What else is new? This is the container. I've never heard of this product, Thrive. Let me know in the comment section down below if you all have. Ooh, this is the applicator. This would be good for ASMR. Listen to that pop. That would give people tingles. All right. What? This is like no effort mascara. I want to not like something so that you guys don't think I like everything. But look at that. What is happening right now? Like my daughter does her mascara and no matter what brand she uses, hers does this. But this is the effect that I want from other mascaras that lacks. I might actually purchase this mascara. This is great. Hello, and I don't wear falsies, so you guys know I'm all about this. I am not just saying this. Look at this. This is literally my favorite mascara. I love this more than Big Bang. What is this? What kind of trickery is this? Is this? I've never had mascara like this. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with this. I am like, and I was like in an okay mood, and now I'm just like through the roof. Everybody wants a good mascara. This is literally my favorite mascara. Now I have to like get it so that I don't ever run out. Do you guys see this? And I literally showed you how shitty my mascara looked, or my eyelashes looked before this. Look at this. That is amazing. I've never, not even Big Bad Girl Bang. I love you, Benefit, but this is like it. Thrive, guys. Write this down. I'm going to look into this because there's something witchcrafty about this. Last thing, and I already saw it, is the Ciate Glow 2 highlighter. What's cute about this is how you give, you get back. I gave my mom this same highlighter, but only in the stick form. And look at what I got back in return. I got a little highlighter. And it's the same one. So I'm going to swatch it. It's super creamy. And we'll put it right. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. I've been without a highlighter for a couple days now. You know, I've been like going through something. And like I am like all about putting highlighter on my face right now. You know the drill. Mario Badescu Rose Water. Hello, beautiful highlighter. Okay, Ciate, I see you. I have to say is my favorite Ipsy bag. So Ipsy, I forgive you for sending me my bag. August bag, almost in September. Like, we're already almost at the end. I don't care, whatever. It's $10. I just wanted to get it out to you guys. But a lot of people have been saying they've been getting their Ipsy bags super late. So here we are with August Ipsy bag. Eye cream has me feeling super hydrated, and I never feel hydrated. I feel like any cream I use never does the right trick. They make my eyes look good, but it doesn't give me that feeling that I don't like that dry, crepey. That's the word, crepey feeling. And this did it for me. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you to pieces. And yeah, peace. Bye.